In this video, I'm going to be showing how to use inverse printing in Lighthouse for CJ Pro. Inverse printing is mainly used when printing with a coloured ribbon onto a white vinyl or to emphasise a piece of information. This will cause an area of the label to not be printed, but will instead print around it. This is often how something like a mandatory sign is achieved using the CJ Pro. In my case, I would like this no smoking sign to have a black box at the bottom and the text be white, much like on this one here. So to achieve this, I will use the inverse tool along the left hand toolbar. So I'll move my mouse over here and click on inverse. You'll now notice that your cursor has changed. So position your cursor where you would like the top left of the box to be, and hold down left click and then drag to create the actual inverse box. Once the box is created, you can see that the text on top of it has now gone white. This means that the text will be inversed and will be missed out when I print.